How to hide reposts on TikTok. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide reposts on TikTok. So if you've shared something you don't want others to see, follow along step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, open your TikTok app on your phone. Go to the repost you want to hide. Tap the share arrow and then select Remove Repost. That will instantly take it down so your followers can't see it anymore. Now, what if you want to keep your repost but don't want everyone to have access? Here's what you can do. Go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner, then choose Settings and Privacy. From there, go to Privacy and switch your account to Private. With a private account, only the people you approve as followers will be able to see your reposts. So while TikTok doesn't have a full hide option, these are the two best ways to control who sees what. Remove the repost completely, or make your account private so only approved followers can view it. And that's it. That's how you manage and hide reposts on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.